So this video tutorial is going to walk you through how to swap a class. So the swap feature in registration allows you to switch one class for another. This means that you'll only be dropped from your current class if you are successful in the swap. So if the class or the new class you want to get into is full, if there's a time conflict, registration error, you're trying to sign up for a downtown campus course, but you're a main campus student, your original class remains unchanged. So I'm going to sign into myUCF and I'm going to click on Student Self-Service. So I'm currently registered for 4 classes for Summer B, that's 12 credits, and the max is 14. So currently I'm unable to add a 5th class, but let's just say I want to go ahead and swap psychology for something different. I'm going to go ahead and search for my new class. So I can either go to search or search for classes. I'm going to indicate the course prefix, which is ANT 2511. And to make things easier, I'm going to go to session B. Search for the class. And there are 2 sections here. I'm going to add the online section to my shopping cart. Press next. Okay. And then I can go to plan. I'm going to go to summer. Okay. And we can see that this class has been put into my shopping cart. Now, if I go to the enroll feature, this is where I can go ahead and swap those classes. So I'm going to press swap, go to summer 2025, press continue. Okay. And now this is where I need to determine how I want to proceed with my swap. So from my schedule, I want general psychology to be swapped with something from my shopping cart. So I'm going to indicate ANT 2511. You could also search for the class if you know the 5-digit class number, such as 55195. That's where you can enter that information here. Basically, you do you. I just find that putting the classes in the shopping cart is easiest for me. I'm going to press select. Okay. It's going to confirm, are you sure you want to replace general psychology with the human species? And I'm going to finish swapping. And I get that green check mark, which means I have successfully swapped the class. If there was some sort of registration error, I would have that red X under the status, and I would not have lost my seat in general psychology. So this is sometimes why the swap feature is more beneficial than dropping and then adding. Because if I would have dropped psychology and the class is now full or waitlisted, if I did get a registration error with ANT 2511, I potentially can't get back into that psychology class, which may have worked best with my schedule. If you have any questions, feel free to touch base with your academic success coach. We are happy to help. Take care.